Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. Today I am really excited for this project as it was in my mind, and so I bought these molds and I wanted to try. So let's start. What I'm doing here is I have taken this mold, and this mold comes in set of 4. Slowly I will be showing you all of them. Some of you might know the design of these, but let's start. What I'm doing here is I am using this Mica Chameleon Powder. It's a color shift and I really love these powders. I did use them in my bubble technique and they really came out beautiful, giving the effect amazing. I will link that effect into the description or somewhere up here so you can see there as well. So what I'm doing here is I am using this mica with the eyeshadow brush, and I am simply brushing it onto alternate waves. And I'm using here 2 types of mica. First I will be applying this blue, and it's a blue purplish pink. It gives a lot of tones when you hit it with the light. So applying this mica was really fun itself, and really I really enjoyed rubbing it onto the mold. So I'm done with one color. Instead of going with one color, I thought to try different colors just to see how the effect come out. So this is the second color I'm taking. It's really a pretty color. It's green, purple, pink, you name it, and this gives the shades so amazing. But sadly this mica comes in such teeny tiny pots that I really have to be careful of using them, and they are expensive as well. Just by applying, I can see the colors popping out, different shades. It's really pretty already. Now, I have so many ideas for these mold, and I really love how textured they are. The next part, I don't know how it skipped, but what I did here is I just mixed some black resin and poured onto the back. That's it. And now I'm demolding them. And this is how it turned out, and so pretty. You can see how the colors beautiful. But I have to take it to the next step, and what I wanted to do was I thought that I will be putting it back into the mold and I will be top coating it. Since it have lots of grooves and edges, the resin will flow from every side, so I wanted to put them back into the mold, and so I can pour the resin on top, but it couldn't fit back and it was too small from the sides, and the resin will go eventually going here and there. So the idea came to my mind, and this is the second step. I thought, why not take this mold and take this project to next level and give it a holo. You all know I'm a holo fan. So what I'm doing here is I have taken this beautiful mold. It's by Molds and Shape, and I love their molds. I bought this one, was my first, and now I am really addicted to their mold. The quality, it's absolutely amazing. So what I will be doing here is I will be using a very low viscosity runny resin for this project, and I will be pouring this layer onto the resin mold. And after doing so, make sure there are no bubbles inside this resin. Just a little heat gun, just a little, because I don't want to damage these molds. So I'm seeing just little bit of teeny tiny bubbles. I will be moving it onto the sides. You can use an isopropyl alcohol. So what I'm doing here is I am putting the rest of resin onto this mold carefully. So I don't want to spill my resin everywhere, so I am very closely pouring onto this mold just in the grooves. And now fingers crossed, and I am putting this into this mold, and my only fear is that I don't get any big air bubbles that makes hole, because you all know that we can't top coat this holographic effect, otherwise it will be vanished. So yep, let's see how it turned out. And I can already see that it's been successful. I need to wrap my mold back. When I'm not using my mold, I do wrap them in cling films, especially these holographic ones, because you need to take care of them. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, wow, it's so beautiful. I can see there are so many air bubbles, but this was an experiment, and I was doing it for myself, but I thought, why not make the video to see if I can do it. So I will be doing different effects with the rest of the molds, but I am loving this one. And here you can see topping it with the holographic was the best idea. And this is outside in the sun, and as I am recording it, I am falling in love with this coaster again. So this is for now. I hope you like it, and if you did, please let me know in comments. And if you can give me any suggestions, that will be very helpful. And please do like, subscribe, and share, and give me a thumbs up if you like. And take care. Bye bye.